guys, welcome to Crypto Coders. In this video I will be explaining to you my Elliot wave count, why I have what I have on my chart here. I will give you my bullish and the bearish scenario, although both of these scenarios are bullish in the long term, but the bearish scenario just means that the bottom for Bitcoin is not in. So this according to my Elliot wave count from our 2019 from the start of 2019, this was our wave 1, our first impulse, and from then on this was our wave 2, and we will go up for wave 3, then a retracement for wave 4 and a wave 5. So this is what Bitcoin should look like in the next, I don't know, a decade, to the end of the decade. So this wave 2 is what I wanted to talk to you about. So as I just told you, this whole thing was our wave 2. Our wave 2 was an expanded flat correction. Let me first explain to you what an expanded flat correction means. An expanded flat correction is made up of A, B and C wave. Our B wave goes above the origin of wave A, then our wave C, it goes below the end of wave A, and the sub counts are that wave A contains 3 waves, wave B also contains 3 waves, while our wave C consists of 5 waves. So this is what an expanded flat correction looks like. So let me label this, this was our wave 1, wave A, sorry, this was our wave B, and this was our wave C. Now let's match this whole structure with what I just told you over here. Wave A, 3 waves, these 3 waves over here. Wave B, very clear 3 waves, these 3. And then wave C consists of 5 subwaves. So 1, 2, 3. Now this is where the tricky part comes. This will show us whether the bottom for Bitcoin is in or not. There are 2 ways we can count this. In our bullish scenario, this would be our wave 4 and this our wave 5. This would mean that the bottom for Bitcoin is in. But another way of counting is that this whole thing is our wave 4, and then from there on we will go down for a wave 5. This could be really bearish for Bitcoin, because our correction could complete between $12,000 to $8,000, because there isn't much room below here for wave 5 to go. Now let's go in this structure to see what we have here. It's loading. Let's go on daily time frame. So just let me type 3 here. This just tells you that wave 3 completed here. Now we will see if what we have is our wave 4 or a wave. Let's just dive in. So I will first tell you about my bearish scenario. In our bearish scenario, we are considering that all of this is a wave 4. And this would also make an expanded flat correction, in which this would be our wave A, this would be our wave B that goes below the origin of wave A, and then 5 waves up for wave C, like A, B and C, exactly like I told you in the previous page on larger time frame. This could also be same type of structure, after which we will go down impulsively in 5 waves to complete our bear market. So even in this scenario, we should have, after our wave 4 retracement, we should have our fifth wave up. That should go above this wave 3 high. So this could be a potential trade setup. Let me just over here. This could be a potential trade setup in the bearish scenario, in which we are looking for 5 waves up for the completion of wave C. Now let's go to our bullish scenario. Bullish scenario would entail that this was a 3. This would be our wave 4 up, and this here would be the bottom for Bitcoin. After the bottom, we are also looking for 5 waves up impulsively and 3 waves down. After this whole thing is completed, our 5 waves are completed, we will look at a 3-wave structure over here. And as I told you in my first video, I guess, that after this whole first impulse, we should ideally hold above this 78.6% fib level, but the ideal level to hold is 61.8 for a wave 2. If we hold support here and again break this high, it would be, I guess, 70 to 80% confirm that the bottom for Bitcoin is in. So you just have to react to the market, what the market is giving you, and trade accordingly. This would be a first sign of confirmation that the bottom is in. If you want to be even sure, you have to wait for this high to break, which would confirm that the bottom for Bitcoin is in. So the market basically works in impulses and corrections. So an impulse, a correction, then another impulse. This would be the most impulsive wave among this, because this would be a wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3. Wave 3 is usually the most impulsive one. So yeah, this was it for today. Leave a comment and let me know which scenario you think is the most likely one. Kindly hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I am starting this channel from scratch and trying to bring to you my analysis to the best of my ability. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.